Here we go. Module 5, Lesson 1, Homework Help. Almost to the end to our SBAC testing. So let's get volume. Volume. All right. As I told you, volume is different. That's the homework. We're talking about volumes using cubic centimeters. We did these in class, the last one. I didn't provide an explanation. I asked the class, so let's talk about it. Some people in the class said they saw that there was four They saw that there was 4 cubes on the side of one. Okay? So they did 1, 2, 3, 4. So after they saw that, they said they multiplied it times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they multiplied. They first counted, I should say. Counted one face. Equaled 4. Multiplied it times 5. Okay, so that's one way to explain. Some people did the top. So they counted the top. Let me do this so that you can see which color refers to which one. Okay, so let's go ahead and change our color here and count our top. So some people counted the top. They went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. So they counted top. Top, which is equal to 10, and they saw there was 2 layers, so they multiplied times 2. Okay, there's a lot of ways to explain. Please make sure that there are some numbers. When the first one we talked about, we just counted 1 cube. That's so simple. Even B, we did some adding. We did 3 cubes on the bottom, then 2 on top. Then we multiplied. So please explain using numbers as much as you can. There's only 1 cube, so that's the only reason we can count on that one. Okay. Someone over here for D also said they multiplied 4 times 2. They got 8, and they added 1. So they went 1, 2, 3, 4, and they saw that it was the same here as over here, and then they added the one that was in the middle. Okay, so just explain yourself, do your best on that. All right, next part. I know it's a little hard for some of you to draw. Isaiah. All right. So it says to build 2 different structures with the following volume using your unit cubes. Tonight for homework, I don't think you have to do 2, you just have to draw 1. All right, so for this one, we could draw another one for 4 cubes. I'm going to go ahead and draw 1. And I'm going to draw another one here. And another one here. Oops, I ran out of space. Uh-oh. Let me go back. Sorry. All right, so we'll go the other way. We'll go this way. And then I'm going to draw back. And then I'm going to close it up. You don't have to use different colors. I'm just using different colors to show you my steps. Okay, so that's 4 also. So there's 4 cubic. So now we have to do one with 7. All right, I'm going to do 4 on the bottom, 3 on top. So I'll go 4. Oops, let me go ahead and start with a color. I'm going to go 4 on the bottom. And I'm going to extend 3 of them. So I'm actually drawing 4 lines there because I need 4 sides. on one of them. All right, so there's 7. Now I'm going to extend back. All right, and then I'm going to connect my sides. I'm not taking my time. I could draw it a little bit straighter. You can use a bookend, a straight edge, a ruler to help you out. All right, so now I can do another one. I'm going to decide to draw something a little more eccentric, a little more different. All right, so I'm going to draw just a little bit different. I'm going to draw 3 on the bottom. I'll go 4 on the bottom again. And I'm going to draw 1 right here. Kind of looks the same, but I left a space in the middle. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you're using 7 cubes. And how do I know there's 7 cubes? Oops, I need to draw another green line here. Okay, there is 4 on one side over here. And 2 right here, and then 1 right there. 4 plus 1 plus 2 is 7. All right, let's go to the 8 cubes. Let's get a little more interesting. Let's see if I can do anything interesting. Well, I saw some of you draw up. I'll start off with 3 up. And I'll do, that's 1, that's 4, 5. And let's do another one on top here. So we have 6 there. And, what can I do a little different? Well, I guess I could do a structure where I'm going to draw another one here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this and extend it over there. Okay, oops, I think I went too far. No, I did go too far. All right, I'm going to extend this one. I'm going to connect another red line here. I'm going to go back with the green line. Okay. Now I'm going to go with my purple to finish up some lines. Right there I have my 6. And I'm going to connect another one back there. So there's another one tucked away behind there. And that makes it 8. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was right the first time. I was thinking of the last one where it's 7. All right, so let me go back a little bit. I was doing it right. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to draw another line here and here. Okay, to add 2 back behind it. All right. I guess that should be green. All right, so now I have my 8. I have 4 on this side over here. Then I have 1 connecting this to this 3 tower. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, I don't think I left myself enough room for another one. I'll do a basic one then. I'll do a basic 8. I'll start off with 4. And I'll extend on top of them. Then I will go back my second dimension. And then my last part. All right, so you can be creative, but make sure it is the right amount of numbers. And let's go on to the next one. Running out of time here. Joyce says that the figure below made of 1 centimeter cubes has a volume of 5 cubic centimeters. Explain her mistake. Well, there's a lot of reasons. Right now, when I look at it, you do see 5. So she forgot to count the one under the top one. That may or may not make sense to you. Okay? So she forgot to count this one here. Forgot to count the one under. So there's one underneath that one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now imagine if Joyce adds to the second layer so that the cubes completely cover the first layer in the figure. What would the volume of the new structure be? Well, that is easy because the bottom structure would be 5. The volume would be 10 centimeters cubed. Okay, so the answer is 10 centimeters cubed. Because the bottom layer is 5, so that's where she got the first 5 right there. But there's a bottom one underneath there. We're going to cover it up. First we'd count the 5 on the bottom, and then there'll be 5 on top, so there'll be 2 layers of 5. 2 layers of 5. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Let's see. What is it going to be? I know what it's going to be. All right. Today's word for the bonus. There's a reason I'm doing this. All right. Okay, there's your bonus word. All right, show that on your homework tomorrow and you will get a bonus. Again, here's your homework. And there is your bonus. All right, bonus word right here. Just in time.